Hello everyone, myself Professor Hardik Prajapati. I warmly welcome to you from Sri Shusha College of Commerce, Management and Computer Education. There is the managed by Jain Citizens Education Society. In this video, we are starts about the entrepreneurship development and ethics, BBA SEM-4. So let us start our video lecture.
Hello everyone. In this video, we will start our new chapter. The chapter name is that the startup policy of India. And what is the startup policy and what is the startup? In this video, we will study about. So let us start our chapter number 3, startup policy by India or startup policy of India. Now let us talk about the Small Industrial Development Organization. It is the called as the SIDO. And now let us talk about the what is the SIDO and what is the objective of SIDO and how SIDO works. SIDO has been set up to give training and managerial input to small scale entrepreneurs. We know that in a rural area or urban area there are the different types of the entrepreneur, but it is the small venture starts, so they cannot be able to the good skill and good businesses. So SIDO provides to training and managerial inputs to them. It has a strong support from financial institute and government agencies for the promotion and development of a small-scale industrial unit. It is supported by the government and government agency and institution to promote the small-scale industrial units. The main aim to this organization is to train the small entrepreneurs who can not afford to pay the cost of professionally qualified persons. It is the SIDO means the aim of the SIDO is that to afford sorry to entrepreneur to organize the training at a small scale the organization and to provide the training of them. SIDO trains these entrepreneurs al- along with the upgrading skill to worker working in small scale industries. SIDO not only to target or focuses the managerial or top level management, but it also works on the worker and the bottom level management and skill them for small scale industries. It has a network of 25 small industry service institutes. It means the SISIS. It has a small industrial service institutes, 41 extension centers and 4 regional testing centers and 1 product and process developed center. There is the different types of main body of the SIDO. The SIDO works in or separate into the 3 types. First is the 41 extensions unit, fourth 4 regional testing center and 1 product and process development center. It is very important for SISIS. So SIDO works on the rural or urban or small scale industrial entrepreneurs to training them and to provide the skill and upgrading skill to the worker and employee or top level managements. Now let us talk about the what is the SIDO works for. SIDO works for development of an entrepreneur's skill. It is the main objective is that to how to entrepreneurs upgrading his skill and how to entrepreneur give the best training and skill and how to entrepreneur take the good advantage of market and profit. So the it is the first objective of the SIDO, and second objective is that enhancing rural industrializations. The SIDO second objective is that to enhancing the rural industrialization. We know that the rural area is a very poor industrial sector, but this is the in upgrading requirement to upgrading nowadays. So The rural industrialization is required, but how can we do you to using the SIDO? The focus is on the rural industrialization and upgrade the entrepreneur at a lower or rural level. And third objective is that the developing physical infrastructure and various places. It is the develop the in physical infrastructure or different types of the rural or urban area and various places and different types of places. Okay, the second or third important objective is that to developing the physical infrastructure at a different level or different places, like in a Gujarat we know that the Gandhidham, Surat, Hajira in a Surat. Okay, there is the different types of Vapi, different types of places for industrialization. But in these different types of places, the developing infrastructure are must be need. So that is focused by the SIDO. And next is that fourth is developing various courses. It is the develop the various courses for the industrializations, means that it is provide the different courses to training them the worker or labor to upgrade their skill. And it is not only limited to labor or worker, but it is also for the top level management or managerial or supervisor level management or person required to various courses to develop or upgrading his skill. It is the main four objective of SIDO, and we understand about the what is SIDO and what is the objective of SIDO. Now let us talk about the second institute, National Institute for Small Industrial Extension and Training. It is it is the full form, but it is the short form is that NISIT or NISIT. It was established in 1960 under the direction of SIDO to provide the extension and training services to small and medium enterprise. In 1960, the it is the established through the SIDO, the action, and it's what is the aim for the NISIT? It is the aim for the developing or foundation for the training service to small or medium enterprises. It is one of the premier institution for the promotions, development and modernization of the small and medium enterprise sector. This institute gives the promotion, development and modernization of small and medium enterprise sector. Means that it is used to promote, develop and modernization for the medium or the small scale industries. For the past 4 decades, NISIT has been engaged in conducting the national and international programs covering the Asian, Afro-Asian regions and Pacific Rim countries. What why the NISIT works, but it is the aim for to cover national and international level and mention the skill for the different types of level, but it is conducted the or covering the different types of program like Asian. Means that why Asian program will conducted, because it update the modernization to small or medium scale industries. Second is the Afro-Asian regions and Pacific Rim countries. Now, then it basically provides the training to entrepreneurs. It is main objective is that to provide the entrepreneurs skill or training and managers various department of the state government, financial institutions and other agencies. It is the provide to training for the managers, various department of the government, state agencies and financial institute and other different types of private agencies. The institute operates through the following activity. What is the institute means that SIET is provide. What is provide by the NISIET? The NISIT is provide that training, consultancies, research, education, information, and extension services. Means that it is the wide range of area work with the small and medium scale industries and upgraded the skill of the level or bottom level to up level or top level. Small Industry Development Bank of India. Now let us talk about the SIDB. It is the you know that you were the listen these words in a nowadays in a current affairs or newspaper. SIDB, Small Industrial Development Bank of India. It was a set up by the government India in a 1999 April. 1990 has an Apex Institute for the promotion, financing and developing of small scale industries in the country. What is the role of SIDB? SIDB's role is that to promote, finance, and develop the small scale industries in a since 1990. Coordinates the functions of the exciting institution engaging in a similar activities. It has been set up as a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI but got separated. It is the subsidiary with the IDBI, but now it has separated IDBI and SIDBI from it in 1997. SIDBI has provided the assistance to 743 EDPS by the airline end of the March 31, 1998. Means that the EDP provides or SIDBI provides the 743 entrepreneurs development programs into 1998. SIDBI provides the support to EDP conducting institute by the resolving the issues that are related to management and insufficiency and inappropriate technology. SIDBI provides the entrepreneur development program through sorry to small scale industries with the related to management insufficiency and inappropriate technology. It has designed two programs. The SIDBI has designed the two programs. First is that small industrial management assistant program. It is now called that SIMAP and what is the SIMAP? SIMAP to develop a cadre of industrial manager means that it is the developing the skill or upgrading the skill of the manager level of person. And second is that the skill cum technology management assistant program means that STUP. It is improve the performance of the exciting SSI units by developing the skill and ability to the entrepreneurs. Means that it is the promote the SSI means that small scale industries units and develop through the different types of EDP programs. This is the main two programs of the SIDB by conducted in a various level. Now let us talk about the next institute is the Xavier Institute of Social Service. The institute dedicates its service to rural entrepreneurs. The like a SIDB, SIDO, and this the Xavier Institute of Social Service also focuses on the rural entrepreneurs, and then it generally operates in associations with the certain social organizations. It helps the trainees in selecting and preparing project reports and it arranging required finance from various sources. The SIDB and different types SIDB, SIDO, the institute is focuses on a rural entrepreneurs, but it is provided to the industrial or new ventures the funding. But the Xavier Institute of Social Service is a some difference to them. What is the difference? Difference is that it provides the funding and training to the new trainee person or new trainee entrepreneurs. It also provides the opportunity to tribals to join the entrepreneurships program and helps them to develop entrepreneurs skills. It is also to opportunity to tribal to join the entrepreneurships, means that the some new trainee is starts with own business or one small business, and it is the also help to develop entrepreneur skills. Following are its function. What is the function of Xavier Institute of Social Service? The first function is that to recognizing the right candidate for the entrepreneurial training. It is recognized. First, identify the good candidate for training. Second is that training and injecting motivational drives in them. It is provide the training to the employees or new trainee person and inject the motivational drives, means that to motivated he is motivated them and increasing their level of working. And third step is that to various industrial visits to acquaint the potential entrepreneur with the practical skill. If the Xavier Institute Social Service required to good entrepreneur, then it will be provided the some visit to industrial visit, and in the industrial visit they provide the technical skill to them, the surveying the market and financial support. It also the training to the trainee is that surveying the market and financial support. It gives the financial support to the new trainee for the finance. And next is the follow up and personal counseling. It is also take the follow up and the personal counseling. If the new candidate or new entrepreneur some stop ahead, then the Xavier Institute of Social Service is boost up their level and assist them. It is the meaning of Saint Xavier Institute of Service or background of Saint Xavier Institute of Service Social Service, and the objective or function of the Saint Xavier Institute of Service Social Services. Now let us talk about the next institutions. Now let us talk about the next institution is that Technical Consultancy Organization. Its short form is the TCOs. Yeah, TCOs. The Technical Institute Organization provides the comprehensively package to service or small and medium enterprise, industrial enterprise and government agencies, bank and other similar institute in the task relating in the industrial development and marketing. All India Financial Institute in. Okay, the TCOS or TCOS is to provide the comprehensively package of service of small scale and medium scale enterprises, industrial organization, and the government agency and bank and different types of institution. It is the collaboration with the state level institute and commercial bank establish a set of TICOs and throughout the country and cater the consultancy needs to small and medium enterprise and entrepreneurs. It is the collaboration with the state level of institute and collaboration of these TICOs and state level institute with the develop the skill of medium and low scale of entrepreneur and enterprise. There are the 70 TICOs running in a various state to provide the below mentioned service. The TICOs is the provided the main different types of service in the different type of state level. Now, next is the function is that first is the undertaking survey and especially relating to potential of a particular industries. It is the survey in the particular potential industries. It means that it is the focus is on the developing or skill upgrading of the industrial sector. Second objective is that identify potential entrepreneurs and providing them managerial and technical guidance. It is second step is that, or second function is that, to identify the potential entrepreneurs. And after the identifying, it's provide the managerial and technical skill. Means that managerial skill is provided by different types of skill level management of program like ADP program, and technical guidance is provided throughout the industrial visits. Now, third is that the marketing research for the specific products. What is the marketing research for the specific product? It provides the specific product to marketing research. What is the product, what is the main price of the product, and what is the cost of product, and what is the demand in the market of product, and that type of the scope of the product, and that type of the all the parameter are understand in this marketing research. And fourth function is that the supervising projects and the rendering technique and the managerial assistant. It is the supervising the projects. Means that there are the different types of projects are conducted in the rural or urban area, and so the small and medium scale industries have a get the projects. But what is the, it is not affected due to the different types of the finance problem or external problem, but it is supervising that the TCOs and upgrade is skill all level. A seek unit study and their rehabilitations. Means that the seek unit is study whenever the in a last year or last decades, the some small scale or medium scale industries have a stop down. Now, what is the main of this is the main of TCOs is that to rehabilitations of this type of the stop down the industry and restart or reopen the in a market. And sixth function is that conducting the ADPs and the skill development programs. It is conducted the entrepreneurship development program and skill developing programs to the managerial or candidates. Now let us talk about the Indian Investment Center. Indian Investment Center. What is the Indian Investment Center? It is the developed by 1960 to provide the under Ministry of Finance and Government of India. It promotes the entrepreneurs conduct EDP, and it has a set up entrepreneurship guidance bureau of guide entrepreneurs in the starting their ventures. Means that IIC Indian Investment Center. It is to invest or to provide the financial support to the entrepreneurship guidance bureau and the new ventures. It performs the following function. First function is that recognize the potential entrepreneur with the requisite or skill. First step is that is identify the good entrepreneurs or potential entrepreneurs. And second is that the developing the skill in the potential entrepreneur in a order to perform the entrepreneurial activities. It means that it is develop the skill of a entrepreneur's activity throughout the EDP program. Third function is that enhancing and enriching their managerial and entrepreneurs knowledge. It means that it encourage to managerial and entrepreneurial knowledge and update or boost up for the new EDP programs. And fourth is that assisting and supporting the potential entrepreneur to establish their own enterprise. Means that it assist and support to the new entrepreneur and establish establish their own enterprise. Means that like a startup policy with the startup new ventures. Next is that the DICS means that District Industrial Center. What is the DICs? The program was started in 1978 with the view to provide the integrating administrative framework of the district level to promotion small scale industries in a rural area. It is provided the district level the development of the industries. The main activity of DIC is to develop and promote the cottage and the small scale industry in the district. It is the work on a district level of DIC. The organizational structure consists the general manager, 4 functional manager and 3 project manager. The management of the DIC is the vested with the state government. It means that there are the different types of the structure. First is the general manager, 4 functional manager and 3 the project manager. What is the function of this? The technical support for the preparation of the project report means that the technical supporter are required for the promote project reporter. Second is that to conduct the industrial survey on behalf of entrepreneurs in order to help them the selecting product and marketing and supplier, means that it is the conducted the survey behalf of entrepreneurs. What is the means that the entrepreneur doesn't go on entrepreneur entrepreneurs doesn't go on sorry don't go on to the market, but it in behalf of the entrepreneur, the industry survey conducted by DIC, and what is the important the product in a market, and what is the supplier, and what is the manufacturing product are required in a market. That type of questions answer get by the DIC, and it gives to the entrepreneurs. Third function is that to check the feasibility of the various product in proposal received from entrepreneurs. It is the feasibility, provide the feasibility and check out the proposal of the entrepreneurs to promote the product in a domestic and foreign market. It is promote the new ventures, starts and new product in a domestic level and foreign level or international level. To undertake the construction of sites in the industrial estate. It undertake the sets for it is means that the infrastructure provided by the DIC. They provide training through the entrepreneurs development program. It is they provide the training through the EDP program to provide the financial assistance under the self-employment and scheme and throughout the various bank. It is provide the financial assistance and rehabilitating sick units. It means that restart the unit, improve the managerial capability throughout the seminar, workshop and training. It is the conducted the time to time seminar, workshop and training. And next is that setting up biogas plant and keeping in a check in the pollution. It is the setting up the biogas plant and check out the pollution and under how to control the pollution in a nature. Here we are completed our video lecture. We will meet in the next video lecture. Thank you very much.